Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I'm going to ask you guys if anybody knows the solution to this, to help us, and comment if you know any video which have already fixed this. We want you guys to help us and post a video here or in the description below, or post an article where to go to fix this, because I've been trying to invite all my people on my page, on this Facebook page, and what I only see, I see this error, and also Facebook will say we are working to get it fixed, so as soon as we can. I don't know if somebody discovered how to do that already, because I'm frustrated. I cannot select my things, because I've got close to 4,000 people. It's close to 5,000. It's 4.5, but I'm trying to auto select, because if I say okay, let me select 1, 2, 3, 4, I can invite those people, it's fine. But then I cannot spend all the time here clicking on like 5,000 people, 3, 4, 5,000 people. How many? I'm gonna click 4,000 times, so how long is it gonna take me to do this? So let me go to, okay, the invitations are sent, but now what I'm looking for is to select all of them. You can see select all. I've tried again, I'm seeing this. I don't know if there are many or what, but anyway, let's go to Google and try something. We see Google, maybe somebody fixed this before. Let me see. We have Facebook. Okay, they say oops, something went wrong, we are working on whatever. So let me see if they have something like a solution. Okay, they say I got this about 3,000 people, and on Facebook, and every time I try to access it in Safari, I get the following error: oops, something went wrong, we are working on getting this fixed as soon as we can. You may be able to try again. I have no problem accessing it using the Facebook app on AI. Okay, and can access all of my other whatever groups just by, okay. So I think let's try to use Chrome and see, because this is a problem we see in Firefox. I'm gonna try to use Chrome and see if Chrome can give us something easy. Already, let me see if already Chrome is opened. Execute. Fail to run Google Chrome desktop. This feature requires management service present. Okay, I'm getting also another error here. Let me see. Since I'm getting another error, because this guy, the way he's saying it, simply looks like that could happen in one browser, and then in the next browser you can try to use it. So execute. I'm not getting any luck here, so even my Chrome doesn't work, but he say it doesn't have that problem on another browser. Let's continue. I have no problem accessing it using the Facebook app on iOS, and can access all of my other groups just fine as well. I was able to access it yesterday, no problem, but last night this issue started. I said started, and it has not gone away. I have tested this on 2 different computers, both Macs, and the same error, but my iOS devices, all 3 of them work fine. Okay, any ideas on what is happening here? So even us in this video, we're not fixing the problem, we're asking you guys to help us. If you know any good video where they fixed this, please drop it there. So we're trying to read here through, maybe you can find whatever. So if I don't have, how Kali Linux behaves, I don't have any other browser here. Try to use Chrome if it doesn't work, but if it works, please comment in the comment box below and tell us. This one is called the Facebook. Then I think somebody here, Facebook help team, they are trying to respond to this call. They say, hi Ryan, it sounds like this could be an issue with your browser. You can see now they're telling us the issue could be with our browser. I would suggest trying these troubleshooting steps for your browser. Okay, then they give us this where you're gonna go. I'm gonna see if we can go there. Be sure you don't have any third-party add-on installed on your browser. That may be preventing the ads to show up. Okay, hope this helps. Okay, we can go back here on this link, but now I want us to see other people here. What I suggested, what I did think of, or it was the browser issue. You can try another browser, switch off those ads, block whatever, all that. Maybe you see if it's gonna work. Here we're trying to see and trying to help each other how to find this. So that's why I'm putting this call, so that guys you help. I'm trying to migrate to page and follow error, and following error shows sorry, something went wrong, whatever. Saying the same thing, this lady. Okay, here they say have same problem here, trying to open one of the business pages. It can open other but not the other particular what. Okay, I wish to make post on why. Okay, another person also here say I have the same problem in mobile app. When I like this page cannot load some home page. When I unlike it can load home page. When I unlike it can load home page. Okay, she's saying something. Sorry, something went wrong. We are okay. We have here this question has been closed. Why did they close it? Let me see. Two answers. This issue has fixed itself for me. Okay, last about a month or less. Okay, this issue has fixed itself for me. Latest about a month or less. So I'm talking about now. These guys, imagine this happened 5 years ago, still happening here also. So don't think like it's fixed, but try to use different browsers and also try to read some forums. But if you get the answer, please don't be selfish, drop it in the comment box below. Also me, I'm looking for one. I had this problem as well, and I did clear the data of my browser, but it still doesn't work. How can I fix this? Okay, 5 years ago. So these ones, let me see, this person is gonna be 20. Okay, answer, let me see, answer 4 years ago. You see, simply means this problem will never go away. Even next year we might find the same thing, and next of next year. You can see these guys have been there, and now currently in this year we're facing the same problem. You get me? So I wonder how. Okay, one thing I'm gonna advise you to check, please check your what, the first check your, try to use your browser. And this guy said he used his phone on the app, it was working. Then I'm saying please, Facebook themselves, the Facebook help team, they say you can try a different browser and also take out those ad blocks and stuff. Okay, let's go here and see what they say. Hopes Facebook, we are working on this issue. Facebook, okay, we get a lot of them here, a lot of them. Also we have some videos here. I think guys we can check on those videos. Let me say sorry, something went wrong. We are, so I'm looking for something like Stack Overflow, all this. Okay, Stack Overflow, I love this. This is the site I much check for my solutions. Okay, Facebook, whatever. This guy is saying that it's a hi, hit the, because Facebook changed the rules for what unacceptable state parameters. Okay, I had percent escape characters, and that okay appeared to no be illegal. Okay, I ended up moving my state to a query parameter on the redirect URL. Talking about this, I think this error is being triggered by many issues, by many things. Me, I'm just trying to post other people talking about something like else. You get me? Sorry, I'm not whatever. We looking to fix this and say, does anyone know why some URLs get this error? and other do not. Okay, I apologize for lack of details on this. I can't post a link as of yet, but hoping someone has experienced this issue and found a resolution page. You can see this guy cannot post a page. Me, I can't only like invite likes, you get me, on my page. So it simply means you guys who are watching this video, you might not have the same, you might have the same issue but not triggered by the same event. So that's the thing I'm worried of. You can fix this and whatever. So whoever has an answer, or if you go, please come back to the video and post. And if you find the answer, don't say that that answer answers the same thing, because these guys are facing different problems. I'm facing different problems but same error. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we're waiting for your answers. Maybe I'll look into one, then we try to do another video to fix this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.